You, Leo, this is your relationship card for you, and let's see what's a relationship message for you today. Leo, sometimes you just can't see the forest for the trees in your way. Feelings can get when you're confident and happy in your own skin, you're ready for deeper, more intimate relationships. You have nothing to prove right now. You are completely yourself and can handle anything. Love, friendships, and harmonious new connection are all present now or are coming in. You are ready to give and receive from the heart. This is a beautiful place to be, Leo. And this is your relationship message, Leo. After this, I'll be doing a pick a card reading. Watch out for the pick a card reading, guys. And tomorrow, I'll give you another relationship message. Bye, Leo. Take care. Love you all. Bye.
For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. This is your first deck and this is your second deck. So whichever deck you want to watch, I'll be picking 3 cards from each deck, guys. So whatever questions that you have in your mind regarding your situation, you can think about it, close your eyes for a few seconds and open your eyes and choose the pile that comes to you first. So we will be silent for a few seconds and we will start with the first deck reading, guys. Okay, guys, so let's start with the first deck. Let us see what is coming for those who chose this deck, guys. For your love reading, guys, let's see what is your situation. We'll be picking 3 cards from this deck. These are the cards here. What are the cards? Let's see. It's mice, garden, and snake. So with these cards in your situation, guys, I see that certain things may be charming for you, maybe certain aspects about this person. You may have that physical attraction towards them and you may have love towards them, but in truth they are just a charming appearance. In truth they may be something else. They are in this connection to make use of you in some ways, deceive you in some ways. So you have to be quite careful, guys. They have their own agenda, and with this card it's just what to say, it's like something that is cautioning us today, warning us that we should not be taken by someone's dazzling appearance. So we have to be clear, we have to see the truth in that person. We should not have that blind sided love for that person. Attraction, it may be just a physical attraction, guys, with this person. So appearances are deceiving, that's what these cards are about. And this person is there to make use of you, use of your time and energy or your ideas and efforts. That is the reason they are there in this connection with you. So you are a person who helps everyone and who contributes your talents and energy. So They are there just to make use of you. Maybe you are really helpful and they are just there to make use of your helpful nature. So you have to be quite careful with such people in your life, guys. This may be your person or this may be someone from your personal life, guys. So that is what I see for those who have chosen this deck. The first deck. Let us see what is the reading with the second deck, guys. We will keep these cards aside. So for those who have chosen this deck, again we'll be picking 3 cards from this deck. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card here, guys. We'll keep it here. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding this connection, you can think of it. I'm going to turn the cards now, guys. 7 of earth, 4 of fire, and 8 of water. With these cards, the energy for your relationship, guys, is that you are at an important phase in life today, an important junction at crossroads. You are supposed to make some very important decisions today, something you should not be afraid to make today, because whatever you feel is right in your heart of hearts, whatever your heart tells you, you have to take that path, guys. So maybe certain things, certain people of your past or even this present connection, in your heart of hearts you may not have that attraction towards them, or in your intuition may be telling you something else, but this person is coming to make amends and they are sorry for what they did and they want to get back to you, patch up things, but your intuition is something else. Today you have to listen to your intuition, guys. That is what I see with these cards. So whatever your heart tells you, if it wants you to patch up, reconcile, you can go for that, but if it is another decision, you have to listen to that. That is what I see with these cards, and you are progressing towards that harmony and balance in your life, and you have to focus on yourself and that other person today in this connection. Maybe if your intuition is telling you something, you have to listen to it, guys. That is what I see with these cards for those who have chosen the second deck, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this kind of reading, please comment and please like if this reading resonated. Thanks again. I'll see you tomorrow with another love pick a card reading. Bye, guys.